Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Skilldouble. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete duplicate values from an Excel worksheet column and then how to delete it using Excel functions, which will make it very easy for you to do this task. So without any further ado, let's begin. So I'm going to use this table and show you how to first identify which are the duplicate datas in it by using conditional formatting. For that, first I'm going to select a column which will have unique values. Like the employee ID column will usually have unique values, right? So I'll select that column, and then in the home uh, menu I will be able to use conditional formatting function. For that, I will click on conditional formatting, highlight cells rules. In that, I will select duplicate values. So here it will give me option to select the color. So I can either select yellow, green, or keep it as it is. So I will keep it as it is, dark red, and click on OK. Now you can see it has highlighted the duplicate values. This table is very small and the data is less, but what if the data is huge? So it will take a lot of time to identify duplicate values manually. So this function will come handy in those situations. Also, when you are entering the data, you can uh, you can keep this conditional formatting on if you feel that you might end up adding any duplicate values in the table. So I will show you an example. Like if I go ahead and now add this value again, for example, by mistake. So see it has automatically highlighted this cell as red. Alright, so this is how you can use conditional formatting and try to identify the duplicate values in the table. It can also help you by highlighting the duplicate values when you're entering the data into the table. So now how to remove this duplicate values? For that, what we are going to use is a function called as remove duplicates, which you'll find in the data tab. Here again, I will use a column which will have unique values, but this time I will not select the entire column, but I will select the area of the table of that particular column itself. All right, like this. Now, once I selected the unique column, what I would do is I will go to this remove duplicate function and just click on it. So once you click on it, it will ask you expand the selection. Yes, keep it as it is. Like you have to keep expand the selection selected because it will help you to remove the other adjacent columns to the duplicate values. Now, once you click on remove duplicate values, it will show you all the other columns names. Keep it selected, do not do any changes. Then click on OK. Now it will prompt that the duplicate values have been found and removed, and the remaining are just unique values. You will click on OK. Now you'll find that there are no duplicate values in the table.
Then please click on that like button. Also show your support by sharing and subscribing my channel. If you have anything to comment, please do feel free to comment in the comment box. I will come up with such informative video. So till then, take care and bye for now.